in the telescope wheel are solid, are hard pieces of glass, but they're not unlike filtered gels that you can get from a theater company. And actually the activity write-up gives you some sources for getting these colored filters. So today we're going to use colored filters like these. And I wanted to show you them, kind of hold them up, because I have my webcam. I have these filters right here. So I think now I have a red filter over there. I just want to check once more if folks can raise their flag if you can see that the red filter is on the camera. Okay, and the U.S. Space and Rocket folks, don't worry, we'll have some slides that simulate what folks are seeing in a minute. So we'll do that as we go along. Okay, so I'm going to put myself back to the unfiltered view here, and we're going to do a prediction activity. I have a there we go. I have a little piece of cardboard with 6 colored stars, I guess we can call them, 6 colored spheres, and I'm going to show our folks in Huntsville what they look like here. So that's what I'm holding up in front of the camera. I'm holding up a piece of black cardboard with 6 colored spheres, and the first thing I want you to do is make a prediction through the chat box. I'm going to put a red filter in front of my webcam. I'm going to put a red filter in front of my webcam. So I'm actually going to have people, how do I do this here? Wait. Chat with host only. So, all right. So your chat is only going to come through to me. It's not going to come through to everyone, but I'll let you know what everyone says. Why have I suddenly gone out of focus? What is that? Oh, there we go. Okay. So I want you to type into the chat box what you think will happen when I put the red filter over the webcam to these 4 colored stars. Will they all look red? And you'll notice they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to type something into the chat, and I'll let people know what people are typing into the chat as to what you think will happen when the red filter goes over the camera. I'll note that I have no words yet. So.
Yellow, orange, white, red, blue will turn purple. Red will turn.
Okay, I have one prediction that says you'll see, when I put the red filter, you'll see everything but number 5.
Yellow, orange.
Okay, Frank is suggesting it's that I'm moving back and forth somehow. There we go. I have another prediction that 1 will turn brown, 2 red, 3 purple, 4 orange, and 5 black. So again, that we won't see number 5 when the red goes on, okay? And I have another prediction, 4 will turn to orange. All right. And I have another prediction that 1, 3, and 4 will be harder to see. 2 will look red, and 5 will disappear. So it looks like most people agree that 5, when I put on the red filter, is going to disappear. All right, let's see what happens. oh, let me switch the slide so the people in Huntsville see what happens. So this is a picture that Aaron took of exactly what everyone else is seeing on the video now. Okay. Ah, I heard some expressions of surprise. Right. Now, so in order to understand, turns out that everyone predicted 5. The red filter would block the red star here, the red dot. And okay, good. Kristen is asking, why is 4 brighter than 2? Okay. I don't know. Does it seem brighter? Let's see. In your camera, this is 4. This is 2. They seem pretty equal to me. Ah, Madison, since it's red, it absorbs the opposite. Wait, green, sneaky. Okay, so there's some ahas going on. This is great. If you'll remember, what does a filter do? The red filter lets red light through to you. So the red is red passing filter. It's not a red blocking filter, which may be what you had in your mind when you said it will make 5 disappear. The red filter lets red light through. So the red dot, number 5, light gets through to you and it looks bright. The white dot had red light in it, so that red light gets through to you. 4, the yellow dot also had some red in it and that gets through to you. But as Madison noticed, the green, number 1, has no red light being reflected back toward you. It actually absorbs red light, and so it appears darker. So we're going to go back to see them. I'm just going to go back for a second. I'm going to ask you to make the next prediction and see how you do this time, now that we've been surprised. And so I'm now going to put a green filter over my camera. I'm going to put a green filter over my camera. So now I'm going to ask you, what's going to happen? Which of these dots will appear brighter and which darker when I put a green filter between the dots that are reflecting green, these colors to you? All right. So I have one prediction. 5 is going to be darker, and 1 will be brightest. I have another prediction. 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be showing, I think. And another prediction, 1 and 2 will be bright to the green filter, and 3 and 4 medium, and 5 dark. Okay, so we definitely have a different kind of prediction than the last time. So let's check it out. We're going for the green filter. And now for our people without the video, there's the green filter. So we had 1 and 2 bright. 5 definitely is dark. Everyone kind of predicted that. We now get that 5 doesn't have any red light coming through. There's a little bit of confusion here. 2 is bright. I'm actually gonna unmute folks for a second here and ask if anyone wants to make a audio comment on what's going on. You can feel free to pipe in. All right. Well, now we're going to, I'm actually going to skip the blue filter for now and wait until we do the, now we're going to do the alien activity. Okay. So now you know a little bit about how filters, imagine you were an alien and could only see green. Well, anything that was red in the sky would appear invisible to you. But you could communicate with an alien who only saw red and figure out which part of an object might be red and which part might be green. So that's the activity that's written up in the alien eyes. And I have a new, I'm actually going to put the red filter on the camera. And I'm going to show some trees here. And I'm going to, for the folks at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, this is what the folks looking through the video are pretty much seeing. 4 trees. And it looks like tree number 1 and number 3 are brighter, and tree number 2 and 4 are darker. And so the question for these aliens, the aliens want to find a world with green trees and a world with red trees. So you need to figure out which of these 1, 2, 3, and 4 trees are, which one is red and which one is green. So right now the red filter is over it. If anyone would like to type in the chat box any possibilities for the tree that is red. Any guesses for which tree at this point?
So one is going to be.
Or can you rule any out that you know are not red?
White tree.
Kristen thinks 1 might be the red tree. Madison thinks 1 or 3. We have a prediction that 4 is green. We have another prediction that 1 is red and 4 is green. And we have another 4 has green trees, 1 is a red tree. Oh, and they've gone further. 3 they think is a white tree, and 2 is blue. And they don't even have the video. All right. Well, there was some possibility that 3 might be a red tree. How could I rule that out? 3 could be a red tree. I'm going to put the green filter on now. I'm going to put the green filter on now. There's the green filter. And for our folks in... I heard some yep in there, and okay. So, now I'm going to ask if there's, yep, 3 is white. Okay, all right. Now, I want you to actually, you've figured out, I think we have some agreement here, right? Am I right? Everybody's agreeing that 1 is red and 4 is green. And there seems to be some idea that, yeah, okay, that 3 is white. And the Huntsville folks thought 2 might be blue. I'm going to put a blue filter on and see if that still jives with your guesses here. All right. All right. Yep, 2. There's yep, 2 is blue. Okay. I actually should have you guys chatting to everyone now because it's really wonderful to see. I'm really sorry that I've been enjoying this chat all by myself, but I'm trying to chat. Okay, now you're all chatting. You can set your chat to everyone rather than just to me. And I'm going to reveal the alien trees here. Oh, right. There we go. Yay! All right. So one of the things this activity helps people understand is A, how filters work, and B, how even if you were colorblind to the real colors of objects, you could figure it out by looking at a combination of filters. And that's exactly what we're going to do with the telescopes next. Now, I should mention that in the activity, that you can download, for those of you who can, unfortunately Huntsville, you actually make these little alien eyes. I don't know if you guys can see the camera here, but you make a mask with the filters to be the alien eyes for your visitors to use, and you have these different scenes made out of different colors of felt.